Did you know that the average person spends over 2 hours a day on social media? That's more than 700 hours a year, time you could use to learn a new skill, start a side hustle, or even write a book. Imagine what you could accomplish if you reclaimed even half of that time. If you're ready to stop scrolling and start achieving, you're in the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that can change your life, productivity. But don't worry, this isn't about working harder or burning out. It's about working smarter, so you can get more done in less time and still have energy left for the things you love. In this video, I'll share 5 game-changing productivity hacks that have transformed my daily routine and can do the same for yours. Plus, I'll introduce you to a tool that's been a total lifesaver for me. Stick around to the end for a special link to try it yourself. Let's kick things off with hack number 1, the Pomodoro technique. If you've ever struggled to stay focused, this one's for you. Here's how it works. You set a timer for 25 minutes and work on one task, no distractions. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times and then take a longer break. It sounds simple, but it's a game changer. I used to get sidetracked every few minutes, but after trying Pomodoro, I found I could laser focus for those 25 minutes. It's like tricking your brain into thinking, hey, it's only 25 minutes, I can do this. Pro tip: use a timer app or even your phone to keep track. Next up, hack number 2, time blocking. This is all about planning your day in advance by assigning specific tasks to specific time slots. Think of it like creating a budget, but for your time. For example, you might block 9-10 a.m. for emails, 10-11 a.m. for a project, and so on. I started time blocking last year and it's been a revelation. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by a giant to-do list, I know exactly what to focus on and when. It also helps me avoid multitasking, which, spoiler alert, actually slows you down. If you're new to time blocking, start small. Try blocking just 1 hour a day and see how it feels. Now let's talk about hack number 3, the Eisenhower Matrix. This is a fancy name for a simple way to prioritize your tasks. Here's the deal. Not everything on your list is equally important. The Eisenhower Matrix helps you sort tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither. Focus on the important stuff first and delegate or drop the rest. I'll admit, I used to waste time on tasks that felt urgent but weren't actually moving me closer to my goals. Once I started using this matrix, I became ruthless about what deserved my attention. It's like having a personal assistant for your brain. Hack number 4 is a big one: minimize distractions. We live in a world of pings, notifications, and endless scroll. But here's the truth. Every time you get distracted, it takes an average of 23 minutes to refocus. That's why I've become obsessed with creating a distraction-free zone. Turn off notifications, use apps like Freedom or Focus at Will, and if you can, designate a specific workspace for deep work. I even started using noise-canceling headphones, and it's like night and day. If you're serious about productivity, this hack is non-negotiable. Last but not least, hack number 5, set SMART goals. You've probably heard this acronym before: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. But here's why it's crucial. Vague goals lead to vague results. Instead of saying, I want to be more productive, say, I'll complete 3 tasks by noon each day this week. It's clear, trackable, and gives you a finish line. I started setting SMART goals for everything, from work projects to personal habits, and it's like having a roadmap to success. Bonus, celebrate your wins no matter how small. It keeps the momentum going. Let me share a quick story. A year ago, I was overwhelmed, constantly behind, and honestly a little burned out. I stumbled across these hacks while researching for the channel, and I decided to try them all. It wasn't overnight, but within a few weeks I noticed a shift. I was finishing tasks faster, feeling less stressed, and, best of all, had more time for things like reading and hanging out with friends. If I can do it, so can you. So here's your challenge. Pick one of these hacks and try it for a week. Maybe it's Pomodoro, maybe it's time blocking, whatever feels right. Then come back and let me know how it went in the comments. I'd love to hear your wins and any struggles. We're all human. And if you're looking for an extra boost, check out the awesome productivity tool I've been raving about. It's been a total game changer for me, and I think you'll love it too. Grab it from the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and remember, your time is your most valuable asset. Use it wisely.